Restoring the balance. The balance between the influence of technology and employee education in the industry has evolved significantly since the Industrial Revolution. Over the centuries, technological advancements have revolutionized the way industries operate, transforming production processes and increasing productivity. At the same time, the importance of employee education and skill development has also been recognized as essential for harnessing the full potential of technology and driving the innovation in the workplace. Let's explore the changes and developments in this balance over the different periods. The Industrial Revolution. It's the late 18th to early 19th century. During the early stages of the Industrial Revolution, technological innovations such as steam engines and mechanized looms brought about significant improvements in industrial efficiency and output. These technological advancements led to a shift from traditional manual labor to machine-based production. However, during this period, employee education and training were relatively limited, and most workers were engaged in repetitive tasks that required minimal skills. The early 20th century. As industries continued to advance and adopt more sophisticated technologies, the need for skilled labor increased. Technical education and vocational training programs started to emerge to meet demands of industrial jobs. Employees were trained to operate and maintain complex machinery to perform specialized tasks. Education and skill development became essential for industry to remain competitive and to adapt to the changing technologies. The mid to late 20th century. The mid-20th century saw a rapid growth in technological advancement, particularly in electronics, automation and computerization. These advancements led to the rise of computer-controlled machines, industrial robotics and sophisticated manufacturing processes. Employee education and technical training became even more critical as workers needed to acquire specialized skills to work with modern equipment and technologies. The late 20th to early 21st century. The information age and the digital revolution further transformed industries, leading to the widespread adoption of computer software and the internet. The integration of technology into various aspects of industrial operations created a demand for a skilled workforce with expertise in data analysis, programming and digital tools. Continuous education and upskilling became essential for employees to adapt to the fast-paced technological changes. The current trends. Today, industries are experiencing the impact of technologies such as artificial intelligence, the Internet of Things, automation and big data analysis. These technologies are reshaping the business models, production processes and the workforce dynamics. The balance between technology and employee education has become more intertwined than ever. Businesses are now prioritizing investing in both cutting-edge technologies and providing continuous learning opportunities for their employees. The key to success in the modern industrial landscape is a striking balance between technological investments and employee skills. By leveraging the full potential of technology while nurturing a skilled, continuously improving and adaptable workforce, industries can achieve greater productivity, innovation and sustainable growth. Employee training is no longer just about traditional technical skills, but also includes the development of soft skills, critical thinking, problem solving, and adaptability to thrive in a dynamic and technologically driven environment. Merging employee development into daily operation and restoring the current imbalance as Industry 4.0 meets upon Organization 1.0, and thereby realizing your company's full potential is all what our business is about. If you work in industry or supporting services and like to know more about how we can help you, please get in contact. I'll promise you there's much more to it than meets the eye.